What if I told you two people can borrow the exact same $20,000 personal loan, but one person ends up paying $6,000 more in interest? Same amount, same country, same year. So what changed? The lender. And in 2026, with interest rates is still painful high, the wrong personal loan could quietly destroy your finance for years. But choosing the right one that could save you thousands, help you escape debt faster, and may even fix your financial life. So in this video, we are breaking down the 12 best personal loan lenders in America right now. From the best overall lenders to the faster funding, the best option for fair credit, military families, low fees, and even lenders most people completely overlook. And trust me, number 7 on this list surprised even me. Let's get into it. So, personal loan used to be simple. You walked into bank, filled out paperwork, bet a week, and hope someone approved you. But today, everything changed. Now you can apply online in a minute, get approved the same day, and sometimes receive money in your account within your hours. Sounds amazing, right? Well, not exactly. Because while access to loans become easier, bad financial decisions become easier too. In 2026, Americans are driving in debt. Credit card balance are exploding, emergency savings are shrinking, and millions of people are using personal loans just to survive inflation. Some people use loans smartly, consolidating high interest rate debt, covering emergencies, financing home repairs, paying medical bills, but others get trapped. That's why choosing the right lenders matters more than ever. Some lenders offer low rates, zero fees, fast funding, flexible terms. Others quietly bureau in fees and interest. So in this video, we are comparing the best personal loan lenders based on APRs, fees, funding speed, customer support, flexibility, and who each lender is actually best for you. And by the end, you will know exactly which lenders fits your situation. Let's start with the best overall lenders in America right now. Number 1, SoFi, best overall personal loan lender. Imagine needing money fast. Maybe your credit cards are crashing you. Maybe your car just died. Maybe life simply happened. You apply for a loan and suddenly the lender hits you with application fees, organization fees, prepayment penalties. Before you even receive the money, you are already losing money. That's where SoFi stand out. SoFi has quietly become one of the strongest all-round lenders in America. Why? Because it combines large loan amounts, competitive rates, fast funding, and almost no annoying fees. Loan amounts from $5,000 to $1 lakh. Repayment terms from 2 to 7 years. Possible same-day funding. No organization fee, no payment penalties. That last part matters because some lenders punish you for paying off debt early. Think about how crazy that sounds. You try to become financially responsible and they charge you for it. SoFi doesn't. And honestly, that's repressing, but here's the catch. Its minimum loan amount start at $5,000. So if you only need a teeny emergency loan, SoFi probably isn't your best option. Still, for large loans, this is one of the strongest lenders in America today. And SoFi adds something most lenders don't. Member perks, free financial planning, career coaching, educational resources. They are trying to build long-term customers, not just borrowers. That's a big difference. But what if your biggest concern isn't flexibility? But if you just want to absolute lowest rate possible, then the next lender becomes very interesting. Number 2, LightStream, best for low interest rates. interest is sneaky. Most people only look at the month payment. Big mistake, because a lower monthly payment can actually cost you more over time. That's why APRs matters, and LightStream is obsessed with a low APR. These lenders consistently offer some of the most competitive rates in the markets, but then they go even further. They offer a 0.50% auto-pay discount and something called a rate beat program, meaning if other lenders offer you lower rate, LightStream may beat it by 0.10%. That's aggressive. Here's what else you get: loans from $5,000 to 1,00,000, terms up to 84 months. Some specialized loans up to 240 months. Some same day funding possible. Zero organization fee, no application fee, no prepayment penalty, no nonsense. But again, there is a catch. LightStream is usually best for borrowers with strong credit. If your credit profile is weak, approval may be harder. Still, for financial disciplined borrowers, the lenders can save you serious money. Number 3. Lending Club. Best simple application process. Most loan applications feel stressful. You upload documents, wait endlessly, get confused, then rejected. Lending Club simplify the process, and simplicity matters because when people are financially straight, the last thing they need is complexity. Lending Club lets you pre-qualify quickly, check rates without hurting your credit, apply with a co-borrower. That co-borrower feature is huge, especially in 2026, because many Americans now really on dull incomes just qualify for affordable borrowing. And loan detail is $1,000 to $50,000, terms from 24 to 72 months, funding as fast as one business day. But there is a downside. Organization fees can reach 8%. That's not a small. So while the process is smooth, you still need to compare total cost carefully. Now, what if you hate fees more than anything because the next lender practically built its reputation around avoiding them? Number 4. Discover. Best for low fees. Fees quietly destroy personal loan. A 5% organization fee on a $20,000 loans, that's $1,000 gone instantly. And many borrowers doesn't even realize it. That's why Discover stand out. No organization fees, no application fees, prepayment penalty. That alone make it attractive. But Discover also combines competitive APRs, fast funding, solid customer reputation. Loan range is $2,500 to $40,000. Repayment up to 84 months. Funding as fast as one business day. Simple, transparent, predictable, and honestly, that's rare in lending. But there is a limitation. Discover doesn't allow co-applicant. So if your income or credit is borderline, approval may be tougher. Still, for borrowers with a decent credit seeking, low cost borrowing, Discover deserve attention. Number 5. Navy Federal Credit Union. Best for military families. Military families face unique financial pressure, frequent moves, deployments, unpredictable schedules, and sadly, many patriotry leaders target military communities. That's why Navy Federal matters. This isn't just another lender. It is a credit union built around saving, active duty military, veterans, eligible family members, Department of Defense employees, and compared to payday lenders, this is a completely different world. Loan amount as low as $250 up to $50,000. That's low minimum matters because sometimes people don't need huge debt, they just need breathing room. Other perks including same day funding, zero organization fees, 24/7 customer support. But membership is restrictive. If you don't qualify, you can't join. Still, for military families, this may be one of the best lending option in America. Number 6. Best eggs. Best for flexible payment. Now this next lender doesn't something unusual. Most loans work like this, same payment every month forever. But Best Egg created something called payment pathways, and it changes the structure completely. Your payment start higher then gradually decrease over time. Why does that matter? Because many borrowers expect their financial pressure to improve later. Because many borrowers expect their financial pressure to improve later. Maybe they are waiting for a promotion, paying off another debt, recovering more temporary hardships. This structure created breathing room later in the loan. Best Egg offers loans from $2,000 to $50,000. Funding as fast as one business day, competitive starting APRs. But there's risk too. Organization fee can each almost 10%. That's massive. So while flexibility is attractive, you absolutely must calculate the full cost. But what if customer service matters more than rates? Because when money problems hit, support suddenly becomes everything. Number 7. Upstart. Best customer satisfaction. Here's something most people don't realize. When borrowers panic, they call customer service, and bad customer service during financial stress, that a nightmare. Upstart consistently receiving strong customer feedback, and unlike traditional lenders, Upstart use alternative data models, meaning they don't only evaluate your credit score. They may also consider education, employment, income potential. That gives some borrowers a second chance. Loan detail $1,000 to $50,000. Funding as fast as one business day. But there is the issue. Upstart isn't fully transparent about fees. And that's important. Before applying, borrowers should always ask detailed question about total cost. Still, for people overlooked by traditional lenders, Upstart may open doors. Number 8. Upgrade. Best for excellent credit. If your credit score is strong, your goal chances. You are no longer just looking for approval. You are hurting for the cheapest money possible. That's where Upgrade becomes interesting. Upgrade offers potentially low starting APRs, flexible loan amounts, fast funding, and loan range is $1,000 to $50,000. Repayment up to 84 months. But again, watch those organization fees, because even low APRs can become expensive when fees rise. This is why smart borrowers always compare APR, fees, total repayment cost, not just monthly payment. Number 9. Wells Fargo. Best flexible repayment terms. Some people want to pay loan off fast. Others need smaller monthly payment. Wells Fargo offers unusual flexibility. Terms as short as 12 months up to 84 months. That's range matters, especially during uncertain economic times. Loan amount $3,000 to $1 lakh. Same day funding possible, no organization fee. Sound great, but customer reviews are mixed and reputation matters in banking. Still, in repayment, flexibility is your top priority. Wells Fargo deserve consideration. Number 10. Rocket loans. Best for emergency funding. Imagine this. Your rent is due tomorrow. Your car transmission dies. Your medical bills can't wait. Speed suddenly become everything. Rocket loans focus heavily on fast approval and funding. In some cases, approval borrowers are receiving many the same day. That's powerful. Loan details $2,000 to $45,000. Terms of 36 or 60 months. But fast money often comes at a price. Organization fees can reach 9%. So while speed helps during emergencies, borrowers must avoid panic borrowing because emergency debt can become long-term pain. Number 11. Avant. Best customer support access. Many lenders disappear after approval. Avant doesn't. Their support team is available 7 days a week by phone and email for long daily hours, and surprisingly that matters more than people think because personal loans are emotional. Debt creates stress, confusion, fear. Good support can genuinely reduce financial anxiety. Loan range $2,000 to $35,000. Fast funding, simple application process, but Avanta has a drawbacks. Administration fees up to 9.99%. Late fees, dishonored payment fees. So again, carefully comparison matters. Number 12. Prosper. Best for fair credit. Now let's talk about people with impact credit because millions of Americans made mistake or simply struggled. Medical debt, job loss, inflation, life happens. Prosper may help borrowers with a score as low as 600 and it allow co-applicant. That's huge, especially for younger borrowers trying to rebuild financially. Loan detail $2,000 to $50,000. Fast funding, repayment terms up to 60 months. But fees can be high and borrowers may face late fees, insufficient fund fees, check payment fees. So approval accessibility comes with trade-off. Still for fair credit borrowers, Prosper could be realistic path forward. Now we will talk about emotional payoff. Here's the truth nobody tell you about personal loan. A loan will not fix bad financial habit. It only magnifies them. Use wisely, a personal loan can consolidate debt, lower interest costs, create breathing room, help rebuild stability. Used recklessly, it become another financial tab. That's why the smartest borrowers don't ask how much can I borrow. They ask how fast can I become debt free. Because real wealth doesn't come from borrowing money. It comes from controlling money. And that mindset change anything. Now final lesson is before taking any personal loan, always compare APRs, fees, repayment terms, total loan cost, funding speed, customer support. Never rush, never borrow emotionally, and never assume the lowest monthly payment is the cheapest loan because sometimes the most expensive debt hidden behind the smallest payment. If this video helped you understand personal loan better, hit the subscribe button for more smart money content every single week. And comment below if you needed a personal loan today, which lenders would you choose? I read every comment and remember, financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It happens one smart decision at a time.